Alright, just how quick is the quick release passenger seat? I'm going to show you guys this current setup. Again, these are using the, I think these are what they're called, Spirit Blade bags. Viking just came out with not so long ago. So again, I'm using the wing nuts here. So just simple wing nuts. This gives me a chance to pull those off. No tool. Just going to drop them in the bottom. Whoops. I use this little icon set. Great in tough spots, emergencies. Fits in the bags, doesn't take a lot of space. These are thumb screws. They do have a little thread locker on them, so you can see that makes just purely hand only. If you've got a good grip on them, it'll work. Alright, thumb screws. Get over to the other side. So I'm probably going to have to take that bag off also. The reason for it is you can see how this sits on here. It sits just on the outside of this other piece that is included with the seat. Because of that, I won't be able to get this thumb screw over here back on. But let me get this first side set up. Got this thing out, might as well use it. There we go. In this bag. And the washers. Locking washers there. Get my wing nut on. Dig around in here. Alright, one side on. Let's see if I can move this without making too much. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's going to give me much working room, but that's okay. Same thing over here. I'm just taking the wing nuts off. Well, you're going to see a lot of arm, aren't you? Okay. Get that lined up. And line up this last one. Again, with the thread locker on there, these already kind of stay in place pretty well. But there you go. I mean, now I'll just put the bag back on. Again, the key to making this work is, get rid of the cap nuts that Viking gives you, and just make sure you grab some wing nuts. It'll make taking these bags on and off super easy. And sure, you got these little things hanging around, but it's just for little things like this to get it on and off without it being so much of a hassle and requiring a tool for that. Now, because I've got this out there, you could say I've got a tool, but those cap nuts that they send, I'd have to bring something completely different for that. Maybe some pliers and some other things. So anyways, but that's, again, you guys, that's how quick the quick release seat goes on and off. All right.